Alright class, today we're going to be learning about fractions, so just as always, raise your hand, wait your turn to speak, be engaged, and participate, okay? Now what is this fraction strip as a whole?
10.
Good job. Now write a problem on your paper for a division problem for this fraction strip, and hold it up. Good. Good. Perfect. Sorry, you were at a little light. I couldn't see. All right. Now write an addition problem for this. Are you having a little problem? You got it? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Everyone got it? All right. Good. Now, what if I drew this? How many circles do you see?
1.
Okay. How many equal parts are in the circle?
2.
All right, good. How many shaded parts are in the circle?
1.
And how do you say that?
1/2.
Good job. Explain to your partner why that's 1/2.
Because 1 is shaded
And
and the
you got
other is not.
All right, so what's this called again?
1/2.
So you said 1/2 plus
1/2
equals?
a whole. 2/2.
All right, good job. Now, let's do one more circle. How many circles do you see?
1.
Okay. How many equal parts are in the circle?
4.
Good job, Ashley. And how many parts of this circle are shaded?
1/4.
1/4. Okay, good job. On your piece of paper, I want you to answer this question. All right, everybody put true. Can someone tell me why it's true?
Because 1/2 plus 1/2 equals a whole.
Good job, Mariah. Good job. We're going to do one more like that before we move on. So we remember our circle with the 4 parts and 1/4 shaded in.
Mm-hmm.
Answer this question on your paper. All right, good. So we all understand that. We can move on. Okay, what is this fraction strip representing?
A whole.
Good job. What is the shaded area representing?
2/3.
Okay, so if we have 2/3 plus 1/3, what does that equal?
3/3. A whole.
Okay, good job. Now I'm going to show you how to decompose the fraction with a number bond. So we're going to put 1 here in the middle. What do you think, if we're working with the 1/3 fraction strip, what do you think these 3 branches are going to have on them?
3.
A third. 1/3.
Good job, Megan. You're on the right track, Mariah. So our number bond will look like this. Okay? Everybody got it? Yes, Mariah?
So what we're saying is all those added together equals
1.
1 whole. Like we just had our fraction strip right here.
Yes.
1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Good question. What is this fraction strip made up of? How How many parts?
1/6.
6.
Okay, good job. So, if we were starting with 5 equals, how would 5, 6 equals, excuse me, 5, 6 equals, how would you say that? 5, 6 equals
1/5 plus 1/5 plus
What?
1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6.
Okay, good job. So now that you have the fraction strip, let me see you do a number bond like I just showed you
Okay.
on your paper. Good job, Ashley. Keep going. Good job, Megan. Yep. It's always a hole in the middle. Remember, what is a hole?
1.
It's okay. 1. Good job. Good job. All right, so how will we write the equation for this fraction strip in a different way? Let me see you write it on your paper. And when you have the answer, raise your hand. Good. All right, good job. Who wants to explain how they got that?
I will. 3/6 plus 2/6 equals 5/6.
Okay, so what did you do? You just combined everything?
I added the 3 of the 1/6 and then the 2 of the 1/6, which equals 5/6.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, what does this one fraction strip represent?
A hole.
And what does this one fraction strip represent?
A hole.
What are the sums of the fraction strips together?
7/4.
7/4.
Good job. Now, draw a number bond on your paper to represent that 7/4. Okay, good job. Everybody should have 3/4 and 4/4. Ashley, I see you put a little note next to your 4/4. What'd you put there?
It's a hole.
And why did you put hole there?
Because 4/4 is a hole.
Okay, I like that. Good job. Now, what would the number sentence be for this equation? Like you just did on your number bond. Just so you can say it out loud. What would it be?
3/4 plus 4/4 equals 7/4.
Okay, good job. Now, I'm going to work through this first problem and explain my steps out loud to you, and then you're going to help me do the next 2 problems, okay? Okay, so I have a fraction strip here. I know it's 1/3, okay, because there's 3 spots. The whole thing is shaded in. So on my number bond, I'm going to put a 1 in the middle with branches of 1/3 coming off in 3 different spots. Because what am I doing? I'm just decomposing this fraction so I can see it in a different visual. So my sentence, my number sentence would be 1 equals 1/3
Plus
Plus
1/3 plus 1/3.
Okay, perfect. Now, again, now you do this problem. What is our fraction strip right here?
4/5.
Okay. If we're doing a number bond, what number needs to go in the middle?
4/5.
Okay. What could you branch off of that to decompose your 4/5?
2/5 plus 2/5.
Okay, good. So what would our equation look like down here? I have
4/5 equals 2/5 plus 2/5.
Okay, good job. All right, and our last one. Mariah, I want you to do this one, okay?
Okay.
Now you explain to them what you're doing.
Alright, so in this fraction bar, we have 4 boxes and 3 are shaded in. So it's 3/4.
Okay, does everyone got that? And you see why she has 3/4? Okay. keep
Alright,
going.
if we do the number bond, our middle number would be 3/4. And if we did 3 branches, it would be 1/4 or 3/4.
Yeah, you're right.
1/4.
1/4.
1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. And then our sentence would be 3/4 equals 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4.
Okay, good job. Does everyone understand how Mariah got that?
Yes.
All right, good.